Alright, today I'm reviewing the Kobalt 15 amp 10 inch table saw. This is model number KT10152. I picked this up at my local Lowe's store. It's $322. I'm going to go through an unboxing real quick. If it gets boring, I'll fast forward or skip ahead. And we'll take a look. I'll give it a try and see what it's like. All right, here we go. Okay, this looks like we got a lot of pieces here. All right, we are completely together now, and I have all of the detachable items since it's meant for job sites, particularly in their secure places. So the guards, have the writhing blade attached, and we have the miter gauge, the fence. There's actually a blade here. I'll go over a couple things that sort of took me a minute to figure out, but it looks pretty good. It took about 90 minutes overall. I put on a Dewalt Blade that has more teeth than the one that it came with. A little bit finer cuts. I'm not really dealing with many hardwoods, but this is under the saw. We can see we have the blade stored there, and that is also where the wrenches to replace the blade are stored. So super convenient. Nothing's running away in the garage. It's all tied down in this one spot. So a couple things that took me a minute to figure out with this fence. It's actually pretty cool. It slots in with these different colored beads here, and then one in there, and then lock it. These slide, so when you're ready to lock down where you're at, you just take an Allen key and tighten that in, and it'll really hold it in place. So works out quite nicely. Here's the lock and unlock to extend the table here. Pretty convenient. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. We are lowering the blade, and then clockwise we are raising the blade to change the angle of the blade. We're going to unlock this, and then we can push it. Ooh, if I was holding still here, we can push it. So now we're at 35, 36. As you can see, the blade is now angled. So moving things back, most of the time it's going to be at 0. A little stiff there. We're going to want to make sure that it is 90 degrees there at 0 degree bevel. It is, so we're all set. Yeah, looks pretty good. Seems pretty compact. And we close this, and it just tilts up here. Once we unlock that, we're tilting, and then it should lock in place down there. Once we lock that, and then we're off to put it wherever we want in the garage here. Hoping mine will fit right in here, actually. So yeah, the Kobalt table saw. I will be back shortly to plug her in and try her out. All right, I just got done using it for the first time and works great. Definitely feel safe using it with the different attachments. The push stick is really nice. Great convenient slot in here. I think it's gonna be a great saw. I'll do another update in probably 6 months to let you know how it's been working for me. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll answer them as they come. God bless.